This is the not a review but just a very quick look on 8K TV. It's a 65-inch Samsung UHD 60 and the price is 39,990. This is the first 8K TV by Samsung available in 2020. So you can see here, and no, and it's extremely sharp. So of course you can see from here you're watching this video in 2K, but I'm filming 8K right now. So you can see here this is QLED 8K, and here is they're zooming in. Look at this. I mean, this was amazing, and you can see the colors are very sharp. Every detail is so sharp. I don't know if there is any 8K. Hey, and here they have different USB, HDMI, 4 HDMIs, and air cable and satellite main. These are the connection on the back, and this is like 8, and this is the remote for that 8K TV. So this is the first 8K TV by Samsung. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel.